Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Monday Makes video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring a brand new stamp set. You can't get it to next month. It's called the Cutest Crew. It has kitties and puppies and birdies, oh my. I'm also using the Splash of Sparkle Designer Series paper. These you need 5 pieces that are 3 1/4 inches tall and 3 3/4 inches long in order to recreate this card. I am stamping on one of the pieces of Designer Series paper, and I am going to start about 3/4 of an inch from the bottom of my card front piece, and that is, I think it's 4 by 5 and a quarter. So there you are. I'm sticking all these like little patterns. They all sort of go together because they're from the same paper pack, and I think they are pretty cute. So I am going to embellish this card just a little bit, and I wanted to remind everybody who is watching and anyone who is not watching that the clearance rack or the last chance rack or the clearance rack or whatever you want to call it, has been restocked. So if you are wanting to get, there's a lot of products on there. I just pulled them from my shelf. I noticed that Painterly Pears was on there, lots of Christmas ones, and the shimmer star foam stickers that I got during Halloween which I'm going to use on this card, are also on the last chance. So get them while you can. And as you can see here, I will be using them on my card. So I am trying my hardest to stamp on the inside of the cards, and I chose a happy birthday sentiment, and I put that on the inside of the card. Who is proud of me? Please like this video for me trying to break old habits and not stamping on the inside of a card. So you guys, I will leave the links in the description box below in case you want to check out any of the products for yourself. And hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it. It really helps my small channel grow, and it's free. You don't get charged at all when you subscribe on Facebook. You just get alerted when my next video is. And thank you so much for spending time with me today. Please leave me a lovely comment below, and I will be back on Wednesday. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.